Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on how to answer a flipgrid. When you're in your Google Classroom and I ask you to make a flipgrid, you're going to click the link and it will bring you to this page. What you're going to want to do is you want to join with Google. So if you are already signed in to Google with your Google Classroom, it's going to pop up something with your account. If it's not your account, you will log in using your CPS username and password, the same thing you use to get into Google Classroom. When I click that, it's going to say login successful and it will show you the link. Here, it's called Student Introductions. It's going to give you a description of what I'm going to ask you to do, and sometimes it may have some extra media. Here I have a video showing you how to respond. Once you've read over the description and you're ready to record your response, you're going to click Record a Response. When that pops up, it may ask you to use your microphone and your camera. You're going to click Allow. When that's ready, it's going to give you your different steps. So let's say how long you have to record, as well as I'm going to be moderated, so I can be able to choose if I show your recording or not, if it's appropriate. So when you're ready, you can click the record button down here. There are also different effects that you can use. You can add texts, emojis, frames to your picture if you'd like, and you can have fun with it. There are also different options. You can move your video and you can mute. For this first one, I want you just to record as you normally would, and then I'll show you how it goes. So I'll record real quick. It'll give you a countdown, and you can start to speak in your recording. It will give you 90 seconds to do that with a timer on the top. When I'm done, I click the pause button and I click next. Now you can start to speak in your recording. Okay? So it'll give you 90 seconds to do that with a timer on the top if you need to. Here you're going to snap a picture to go with your video. You can just smile or wave into the picture. Here's mine. I'll click next. It will upload your video. You just want to put your first name and you'll click submit. You are done. It's going to be hidden until I approve your video. So if you want to share it as well, you can have different ones here and you click complete. You are all done. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me.